Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Nintendo Switch online membership completely for free on your phone. So keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super insane. It actually works. So if you want the Nintendo Switch online membership completely for free, keep watching the video guys and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super insane. It actually works. So if you do need the Nintendo Switch online membership for free, keep watching and I'm going to show you guys how to get it with a promo code on your phone. So this actually works guys. It's super crazy. So let's get right into the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get the free Nintendo Switch online membership. So you want to go to zestcoupons.com, go to the search bar and just type in Nintendo. And as you can see guys, it says Nintendo Switch free online membership. So you want to press see more, scroll down, press show coupon, unlock code, and there you go. It's going to start unlocking. I'm not going to show any codes in this video because I want to keep this video kind of private, but I am going to show you the website obviously. But let's type in Nintendo Switch online membership price and let's see how much it costs, because I'm sure it costs a ton. So yeah, it's $19 for the month. You'll be charged $4 every 30 days. So I wouldn't involve yourself with this at all guys. You can get it completely for free by going to zestcoupons.com guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself and get the word out about this tutorial, because it is super updated guys and it is fully working. So if this video does work for you guys, be sure to go ahead and let all your family and friends know, because this is super cool guys and it fully works. So yeah guys, pretty insane. Nintendo Switch online membership is my favorite membership because I can get like Pokemon for free, all this cool stuff. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for free guys. I'm going to show you guys, but please enjoy my video guys and have fun, because this is totally updated guys. I'm not trying to be mean to the people who work at Nintendo. I just thought I'd make a video to get a free membership, because all memberships really should be free in my opinion, but whatever. So anyways guys, all you gotta do is go over to the zestcoupons.com, and once you're there guys, just go to the search bar and type in Nintendo. You can see it says Nintendo Switch online membership, so you just press show coupon, unlock code, you're all set. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, and see you guys in another video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video though. This is super cool, it fully works. So yeah, if you need the Nintendo Switch online membership for free, this is the website to get it at.